भाई वो प्ले बटन नहीं चल रहा, प्ले बटन नहीं है, सेट के नीचे प्ले बटन नहीं है। Guys, we are live now. We are facing some technical issue. We will just start in 1 minute. Hello guys, I guess we are live now. Can you please type in the chat if you can hear me and if the screen is visible as well? Please confirm in the chat if I am audible and the screen is visible. We will wait for 1 minute more for more people to join, after which we will start the stream. 1 or 2 more minutes. Thanks Ankita for confirming. We will wait for 1 more minute. Meanwhile, you can post your doubts in the chat if you have any regarding DILR preparation, regarding general CAT preparation. How is your preparation going on? Also guys, please like the stream. Ankita is asking, is the time now changed to 9 p.m.? Yes, Ankita. We will be doing the stream at 9 p.m. tomorrow as well. Yeah, so we will be doing it at 9. So let's start the stream now. Before starting, I want you all to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, why am I saying this? On our channel, we have DILR preparation videos. We have a playlist of DILR preparation videos for all the topics. Any topic you want, you are weak in, you want to practice, you can go to our YouTube channel and subscribe and watch the videos. We have VRC preparation videos for all the topics, for RC, for VA. And Maruti sir will be taking Quant Marathon on 27 June, which is tomorrow at 2 p.m. So please do join the stream and subscribe our YouTube channel to get notifications regarding all these things. Basically, all these are CAT premium material which is given to you as free if you subscribe the channel. You would get notification to all free content. So this is our set for today. Actually, timer is missing here. So what I would do is that I would start solving this set at 9:16. I would scroll down and I would start solving after 9:16, and also in between I would scroll down after every 1 or 2 minutes so that the information below can be also accessed. If you have missed anything which is up, you can just rewind a bit and pause and see the information. So we will start now. You can attempt the set. I will start solving at 9:16. I want you all to solve this set. This is a really interesting set. So please attempt this set. Arun is asking, hi sir, how much percentile I need to get into Blackie 997 profile? So Arun, basically it does depend on your profile. Your ACAD says 997, but it also has few more. It also depends on few more diversity points, or if you are an engineer, non-engineer. But if you consider everything else, then coming to the percentile, I would say that aim for maximum possible. Just don't limit yourself. Aim for the maximum possible. Blackie is really tough. If you are a male as well as, I don't know if you are gem or not, but if you are a male, it is really tough to get Blackie. So I would say to just maximize your percentile. Coming to specific percentile which you are asking, I would say 99.5 plus 99.8. That is a safe percentile for Blackie. Achal is asking, is the question for the next day already posted a day before? No, Achal, we conduct these streams every day, and we don't post the question a day before. The question is posted on the day at 9 p.m. Arun is saying OBC non-engineer 1 year work ex. And Arun, you would get some diversity points for non-engineer in few of the colleges in Blackie, as well as you have work experience of one, so that would also help. Being an OBC would also help. So I would still say you should aim high, but safe percentile I would say would be 99.2, 99.3. Arun is asking, is there any blog or page to check how much percentile is needed? Arun, on our Cracku website, we have an call predictor as well as percentile predictor for your profile. So I would highly recommend you to check it out. Someone in the comment section would post it. So you can check out the IM call predictors. Guys, meanwhile, if you have any doubt, you can post in the comments, or if you got any answer, you can also type in the chat. It would be really engaging. The session would be really engaging if you type in the chat the answers. If anyone got any, I do think someone should have got. This was not a hard set, I would say. Guys, time is up. So now I will solve this. If you are able to solve, you can type in the chat the answers, or if you are not able to solve, just see how I solved, where did you stuck. So let's start now. And also, meanwhile, if anyone has any doubt, they can type in the comments. I would reply to them after solving this. So let's solve the set now. There are 10 students A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. They appeared for one among three competitive examinations, GMAT, GRE and CFA during a particular calendar year. So we are talking about 1 year. Each student appeared for exactly one examination, and every examination was taken by at least 2 students. So every student appeared for exactly one examination, and every examination was taken by at least 2 students. So CFA, GRE and GMAT were taken by at least 2 students. At most, one student appeared for an examination in any month of the year. So what does this mean? This means that there are 12 months in a year, and there are 10 students who are giving exam, and at most one student appeared for an examination in any month. So this means that there would be 10 months in where the students gave examination. The 10 students gave examination in 10 different months. There would be 2 months where no student gave any examination. This means that only that at most one student appeared in any month of the year, and there are 10 students only. Now we are given that the CFA examination can be conducted only in Feb, May, August and November. So these are the only 4 months when CFA can be conducted. The GMAT and GRE meanwhile could be taken in any month from Jan to December, other than the 4 months when CFA can be conducted. So other than these 4 months, GMAT and GRE can be taken in any month of the year. So before reading the clues, let me make the table. So let me write all the months of the year. So these are the 12 months. So let us first write student here. And then we will write exam. Really sorry for the drawing. Now, these are the 12 months. We will see according to clues. which student gives which exam in which month. So we are given that the number of students taking GMAT are more than the number of students taking CFA. Now we know there are 10 students and every exam is taken by at least 2 students. So there could be many possibilities of number of students taking GMAT and CFA from this clue. We can't identify the exact number, but we know GMAT is taken by more students than CFA. So now let us also write the direct clues first. That is the basic principle of solving arrangement set. We will write the direct clues first. What do I mean by direct clues? Like this, the first student was appearing for GMAT was D in March. So student D appeared in March for GMAT. Now, another direct clue, student I gave CFA in November. November, student I gave CFA. Is there any other direct clue? H appeared for his exam in October. So October is occupied by H. And we are given no other direct clue. So let us try to solve this. We are given that there would be 2 months in which no student would give any exam. So we are given no student appeared for any exam in April. So April is one such month where no student gave any exam. So 1 month we know April is there in which no student gave any exam. There would be one other month where no student gave any exam. So CFA can be conducted in these 4 months. May, August, and we already know in November I gave CFA, and in Feb as well. Now, what can be said about the number of students giving CFA exam? Can we say that since April is 1 month in which no student gave any exam, there could be maximum 1 month, because there are only 2 months in which no student gave an exam. So there could be maximum 1 month out of the months where CFA is conducted that no student gave any exam. So there could be maximum 1 cross from all these. So there could be maximum 1 cross across CFA as well. For example, someone did not give CFA in this month. So there are already 2 crosses then, and all the other 10 months, some student will be giving some exam. So minimum 1, 2, 3. Minimum 3 people gave CFA. It can't be less than 3. This was just an example to show that minimum 3 people gave CFA. Now, what is the maximum number of people who can give CFA? Now, this cross can be in any month other than the months when CFA is conducted. This cross can be here, or this cross can be here, or here. Now, if this cross is in any other month than when CFA is conducted, so CFA will be given by 4 people then. So CFA can be given by either 3 or 4 people. Now, we are given number of students taking GMAT are more than number of students taking CFA. So GMAT, if we assume CFA 4 number of students are giving CFA, then what would be the minimum number of students taking GMAT? It would be minimum 5, because GMAT is more than CFA. So minimum 5 would be there. Now this is 4, this is 5. Total is 10. What would be GRE? It would be 10 minus 4 plus 5. So GRE would be taken by only 1 student. Is it possible? We are given that every examination was taken by at least 2 students. It is not possible. So Since this is not possible, so CFA, 4 number of students can't give CFA. CFA is given by 3 students. Got it? Now, there are 7 more students left. Then, let us see what is the maximum number of people who can give GMAT. The clue which will help us in determining this would be this. No 2 students gave the same exam in consecutive months. Now, if any exam is conducted in any month, in the next month, the same exam is not given by any student. So, the first student appearing for GMAT was in March, D. Now, we know that in consecutive months, same exam cannot be given. Already we know April has no student giving exam. So, also GMAT can't be given in May since CFA is conducted. So, these are the 2 months. Now, if some student took GMAT in this June, can it take in July? No, it can't take in July. So, it can take in June, it can't take in July, again CFA is there. So, from these 2 months, June and July, can we say that at max 1 student would be there who gave GMAT? There can't be 2, because there can't be consecutive months in which the same exam is being given, and CFA is conducted in May and August. So there would be at max 1 out of these 2 months when someone gives GMAT. Similarly, there would be at max 1 student from these September or October when someone gives GMAT. And also, in December, someone can give GMAT. So, can we say that the maximum number of students who can give GMAT would be 1 plus 1 from these 2, 2 plus 1 from these 2, 3 plus in December as well, 4. So, maximum 4 students can give GMAT. There is no other possibility that GMAT can be given by more than 4 students. So, CFA is given by 3 students, GMAT would be given by 4 students. Remaining GRE would be given by 10 minus 3 plus 4, which is 3. So, GRE is given by 3 students. Did we get the distribution of students giving different exams? Now, let's move ahead. Now, we are given that B and F appeared for the same exam with exactly 1 month in between, in which no student appeared for any exam. Now, there are 2 students, B and F, who appeared for the same exam, but they appeared for that particular exam such that there was exactly 1 month in between them giving exam. And in that month, no student gave any exam. So, let us try to figure out which can be the months in which B and F gave exams. So, B and F gave exams and there was 1 month in between them giving exams. So, can B and F be these 2, Jan and March? No, B and F can't be Jan and March since in March already D is giving GMAT. Can B and F be Feb and April? No, since no student is giving any exam in April. Can B and F be in March and May? No, D is already giving GMAT in March. Similarly, April and June can't be there. Can B and F give the exam in May and July? No. May can only, any student giving exam in May can only give CFA. So, GMAT, any other exam can't be given in May and July. And also, if it was given that B and F both gave CFA, then July can't be, then July is the month when CFA can't be conducted. Got it? So CFA can't be the exam which B and F give. Since CFA has at least 2 months in between itself. So CFA can't be the exam B and F gave. So May and July can't be the 2 months in which B and F gave exams. Can June and August be the months? Again, similar reasoning. August CFA and June can't have CFA. Can July and September be the 2 months in which B and F gave same exams such that no one gave any exam in between? Yes, it can be the month. And also we know that CFA is given by 3 students. So there is one student who did not give CFA. So out of Feb, May, August and November, there would be 1 month when no one gave any exam. So can that be July? Yes, that can be July. Can that be August? Yes, that can be August. So August can be the month in which no one gave any exam, and July and September B and F gave their exams, which are GMAT. We are not really specified, my bad. It can be GRE as well. So in July and September, B and F can give their exam in any order. We are not given an order. So let's move ahead. In August and October, again, B and F can't give exam because August has CFA and October doesn't have CFA, and also H gives exam in October. Can it be September, November? No. In November already I is giving exam. Can it be October, December? No. October already has H giving his exam. So it has to be July and September. So here it can be B or F. Here it can be F or B. We are not given the order. Let's move ahead. And also we don't know which exam B and F gave. Now we are given this clue. J appeared for his exam after B. After B. So even if we assume any of these 2 months when B gave his exam, if we assume July as the month when B gave his exam or September as the month when B gave his exam, this is cross, no one gave any exam here. So J only has 1 month in which he can give his exam since he appeared after B. So J can only give his exam in December. If B is here, then F would be here, then J can only give in December. If B is here, again H and I is here, so J can only be here. Let us move ahead now. And also this would be GMAT, as we already proved that GMAT has 4 students giving it, and this is 1. Here it would be 1, here it would be 1 out of these 2, and this is 1. So let's move ahead now. Also we are given D and F appeared for the same exam. Now D and F, do we know which exam did D give? D gave GMAT. So F also gave GMAT. And we are given B and F appeared for the same exam. So B and F both gave GMAT then. So this would be GMAT. This would be GMAT. And now, can we identify which exam would be held here? Since GMAT can't be in 2 consecutive months and CFA can't be conducted here, this would be GRE. Similarly, since GMAT can't be held here and CFA can't also be held in June, so this has to be GRE. No one is giving any exam in April. And this is also not across, this was just for example. These 2 are the months, April and August, in which no one gave any exam. So can we say that this would be GRE now? Let us move ahead. We are given G did not give his exam in January or June. Okay. We are also given C and I appeared for the same exam. C and I. Do we know which exam did I give? I gave CFA. So C also gave CFA. So C can be in these 2 months, Feb or May. C has to be in Feb or May. And also we know that G did not give his exam in January or June. So what are the possibilities for G then? Jan is not there, June is not there. Which are empty cells now? Feb and May. Only these two are left. So can we say that G also gave CFA in Feb or May? And we already proved that C also gave CFA. So it has to be C or G here. We don't know the order. We are not given any clue about it. And G or C here. If this is C, then this would be G. If this is G, then this would be C. Now we only have 2 people left from the 10 students. We have B, we have C, we have D as well. We don't have E, we don't have A, we have F, we have G, we have H, and we have I. So A and E are left. So they would be giving GRE in Jan or June in any order. It would be A or E here and E or A here. If A gives GRE in January, then E would give GRE in June and vice versa. Now this is the table which we have, final table. Now let us try to solve the questions now. First question is, for how many students can the exam given by them be uniquely determined? If someone got any answer, they can type in the chat right now as well. It is asking for how many students can the exam given by them be uniquely determined. So for how many students can we uniquely determine the exam given by them? Can we say that A gave GRE? Yes. Can we say that E also gave GRE? Yes. We don't know the month. It can be Jan or June. But we for sure know that A and E both gave GRE. Can we say that C and G both gave CFA? Although we don't know the month, exact month, it can be Feb or May, but both gave GRE, that is for sure. We also know about D, who gave GMAT. We also know about B and F in July and September gave GMAT in any order. And we also know about H, I, J, that which exam they gave. So can we uniquely identify the exam given by each of the 10 students? Yes, so the answer would be D, 10. The next question is, which exam did J give? We saw J gave GMAT in December. So J gave GMAT. What is the minimum duration in months between students D and E giving their respective exams? So the minimum duration between D and E giving their respective exams. As we can clearly see that D gave in March, we have to find about D and E. Yes, E. So E can give in June or Jan. The minimum months would be when E gave the exam in January. And D, as we already know, gave the exam in March. So there would be 1 month between them, Feb. So the minimum duration would be 1 month. What is the maximum duration between any two students giving GMAT exam? So the maximum duration would be, GMAT is first given in March, then in last it is given in December. So there would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months would be the maximum duration between two students giving GMAT exam? Answer of this question would be 8. Now I will try to take all the doubts if anyone has any. Also guys, our CAT 150-day intensive sale is live. It's about 5 months left for CAT. So I would highly recommend you to check out our CAT 2026 courses. You would get huge discounts up to 70% off. Someone has posted in the chats the link for it. I would highly recommend it to check out that courses. The reason I am saying is that it is actually the closest to actual CAT. So please check out the courses of CAT 2026 of Cracku. Disha is saying the answer is 8. Yes, Disha, question 4th answer is 8 only. Miyoko is saying 10. Yes, Miyoko, question first answer is 10. Sid is saying GMAT. Yes, Sid. GMAT is the answer of question 2. Sid said question third answer is 1. Yes, Sid, you are right. Disha is saying 1 month. Yes, Disha, minimum duration is 1 month. You are absolutely right. Sid is saying question 4th answer is 8. Yes, it is 8, Sid. You are right. So guys, this was the set. If anyone found any difficulty or anything they didn't understand how I solved this in any step, they can type in the chat. I will explain it again. And also, please post on what topic would you like the next stream to be. Please type in the chat what topic would you like the next stream of DILR to be. According to that, we would schedule the streams. What would you like to solve next? And if anyone has any doubt, they can post in the chat. And also please like the stream, guys. That would really motivate us to bring to you more sessions like these. Please like the stream and subscribe to the channel. If anyone has any doubt, how was the set, guys? I would really want to know how was the set and what set would you like next to be in this series of solving one LRDI set per day. Also guys, tomorrow Vedahi Yash is saying the set is moderate and next games and tournaments. Yes, we would be considering your request. The next session which is scheduled on Monday would be of games and tournaments and it would be taken by Gaurav. So I would really urge you all to join that session. It would be a really interesting set. It would improve your concepts in games and tournament. If anyone has any other suggestion, what next should we take as a DILR set for the stream, they can type in the chat. So guys, I will take doubts for 1 or 2 minutes more and then we will end the live stream. Tomorrow Monday. On Monday, the stream would be taken by Gaurav. It would be on games and tournaments at the same time, 9 p.m. So I would urge you to join that session, and also subscribe and press the notification button so that you don't miss out on any content. I guess no one has any doubt now. I think we should end the stream now. Thank you guys for joining in. Yash is asking, do we have any live stream for VRC? Yes, at this moment of time, we don't have any live stream for VRC. We do have strategy videos on our Cracku channel, but we would consider your request for live stream for VRC as well, as we are doing for DILR. So that's it for today, guys. We will meet on Monday now.